Hi friends, welcome to Varun Techie channel, a place for better learning. Like, share and subscribe. Today we will discuss machine learning session 14. Classification algorithm in machine learning. As we know, the supervised machine learning algorithm can be broadly classified into regression and classification algorithms. In regression algorithms, we have predicted the output for continuous values, but to predict the categorical values, we need classification algorithms. What is a classification algorithm? The classification algorithm is a supervised learning technique that is used to identify the category of new observations based on the training data. In classification, a program learns from the given dataset or observations, then classifies the new observation into a number of classes or groups such as yes or no, 0 or 1, spam or not spam, cat or dog, etc. Classes can be called as targets or labels or categories. In classification algorithm, a discrete output function y is mapped to the input variable x, y equal to f of x, where y is the categorical output. The best example of an ML classification algorithm is email spam detector. The main goal of the classification algorithm is to identify the category of a given dataset, and these algorithms are mainly used to predict the output for the categorical data. Classification algorithms can be better understood using the diagram. See this diagram. We have class A and class B. There are two classes, class A and class B. These classes have features that are similar to each other and dissimilar to other classes. You can observe this diagram. Two types of classifications: binary classifier, multi-class classifier. If the classification problem has only two possible outcomes, it is called a binary classifier. Example: yes or no, male or female, spam or not spam, cat or dog. But multi-class classifier is if a classification problem has more than two outcomes. Classification of types of crops, classification of types of music, etc. are the examples for multi-class classifier. Learners in classification problem. Lazy learner, eager learner. Lazy learner firstly stores the training data set and wait until it receives the testing data set. In lazy learner case, classification is done on the basis of the most relevant data stored in the training data set. It takes less time in training but more time for predictions. For example, KNN algorithm. In eager learners, develop a classification model based on a training dataset before receiving a testing dataset, opposite to the lazy learner. Eager learner takes more time in learning and less time in prediction. For example, decision tree algorithm, naive Bayes algorithm, artificial neural network algorithm. Types of machine learning classification algorithms. In the two types, linear models, non-linear models. In linear models, we have the logistic regression and the support vector machines. In the non-linear models, we have k-nearest neighbor, support vector machines, naive Bayes, decision tree, and the random forest classification. These we learn in the upcoming sessions. In the brief, use cases of classification algorithms. Classification algorithms can be used in different places. Below are some are popular uses of the classification algorithms: email spam detection, speech recognition, identification of cancer tumor cells, drugs classification, biometric identification. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.